हमारी राइड तो बस अभी स्टार्ट ही हुई थी कि वी वर फीलिंग डैम हंग्री, so we stopped on this local dhaba for some local food. It was so clean. It was just rice, dal, vegetables and fish. We enjoyed it with a tint of lemon. Then we went back on the road and the road was so pretty. No pollution at all. Everything was so pretty. Cultivation हो रहे थे, fishings हो रही थी. Kali Puja was next day, so everything was so festive हर जगह. ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक भी नहीं था. And as we were moving forward, we were going deeper inside the village area. We were seeing more cultivation fields, more fishery areas, and it was so pretty, so pretty. I just can't even explain it. थोड़े दूर और अंदर जाने के बाद हमें ये फ्लॉक ऑफ गीज दिखे, जो एक्चुअली बहुत सुंदर लग रहा था. बट आई वॉज डैम स्कैर्ड बिकॉज आई हर्ड कि ये कभी कभी पीछे भी पड़ जाता है. बट आई कुडंट स्टॉप शाजिब एट ऑल, तो ही स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग इन. एंड आपको अभी कुछ देर बाद दिखेगा कि कैसे ये पूरे फ्लॉक को एक शोर से लेकर दूसरे शोर तक फॉलो कर रहे हैं. इट्स फनी बट इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग टू सी.
Why are you after the life? जाने दो उनको.
After all the adventures, हम at last पहुंच गए थे चौपाटी village. This village is majorly known for its firecracker making culture. यहाँ पे आपको starting from 10 rupees going up to 50,000 rupees के firecracker मिल जाएंगे. You need to be a very good haggler over here. All of this place was so crowded because of Diwali, and every particular person in every household in this village was selling firecrackers. So interesting to see, also so confusing for me. I was just relying on some strangers who were buying firecrackers. मैं तो उनके साथ साथ ले रही थी. मुझे तो कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि कैसे हैगल करते हैं, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता था. बट आई गॉट अ होल स्टॉक and it was really interesting. And by the end of the day I was so tired, but I was also preparing myself to go back home and burst them. It was almost like 7:30 or 8 p.m. in the night and we were going back home. क्योंकि ये गांव वाला रास्ता था तो it was very creepy. कोई lights नहीं थे. It was pitch dark and everything was all black. But बीच में we could see festivities going on and pandals being made. काली पूजा celebrate हो रही थी. पूजा अर्चना सब हो रहे थे. But once those small stuff was going away, the road was all pitch dark. We encountered police also in the way because they were making sure कि कोई भी कुछ गलत पटाखा लेकर तो नहीं जा रहा है. They did our checking as well, but luckily we got safe because we never had anything much with us. The road was very nice and we actually enjoyed it a lot. A little adventure for us. बहुत यूनिक थीम के पैंडल्स भी देखे जो कि गाँव ग्राम में काफ़ी फेमस है, specifically for Kali Puja. We got to know one very great thing over here, that Kali Puja in the inner side of West Bengal is celebrated with great intensity. Every ghar, every bacche, every bade is indulged in this festival. So it was very nice and intriguing for us to see this. The road actually kept us quite busy and alert as well. By the time we were reaching home, we were so exhausted and tired. But we were also excited that we had a whole literal stock of interesting pataka that we were going to celebrate Diwali with. We came back home a little too late, but we were also very excited to burst all of these patakas. So nothing much to say over here. I hope you enjoy the ride. So this is where we were back home, and it was late night after dinner around 11 almost PM in the night. Then we decided कि चलो सबको को बुलाते हैं and we will burst the crackers. We had an entire stock: rockets, fulgari, anar, chakri, lanterns, everything. You name it and we had it. We even had some sound crackers. Also we had those fire स्काई में जाके जो ग्लिटरी हो जाते हैं. आई डोंट नो द नेम्स ऑफ दोज फायर क्रैकर्स, बट आई एम ऑल्सो वेरी स्केर्ड, सो आई एम द लास्ट पर्सन टू बी इंडल्ज्ड इन ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. My family people are like my brother, sister, my cousins and everybody, they are like super excited about this stuff. My brother was actually bursting rockets apne haath mein leke. It was scary for me. I was not there in the scene most of the time because I was hiding somewhere back. I have no idea where. But it was a very nice stuff for all of us to go through. We had quite a lot of bonding moments over here. We were encouraging ourselves, doing stuff, dancing. There were songs, and it was quite nice. आप पीछे की अगर noise सुनोगे तो there's bhajan also going on in the far off panels. Bengali bhajan obviously. So it was very nice, very aesthetic prone vibe आ रहे थे. We were enjoying clicking photos and a lot of poses as well. One thing about Diwali I would love to say is that it brings all of us together. Small celebrations and all sorts of sweets and foods and all these firecrackers. It's just that you need to be safe and sound and enjoy this festival. We enjoyed a lot. It was a great day, a lot of fun. I was enjoying myself thoroughly. I had few oops moment as well. You will be seeing some of them over here in this video, but everything was so nicely done. I couldn't even imagine ki bhai, wow, a day well spent could be like this with your family. So guys, my Diwali was fun and it was safe as well. I hope it's the same for you. Happy Diwali.